The Research Writing Process, Local Revision, Part 2 of the revision process. Unlike global revision, which attends to larger structural and argumentative issues, local revision is the craft of improving one's sentences by addressing local issues such as unity and division, verbs and subjects, objects and antecedents, spelling and capitalization, punctuation, and clarity and concision. Although the global and local revision stages often overlap, if you wait as much as possible to make local revisions until after you finish your global changes, you will likely save yourself time, since many of your sentences will be reordered, rewritten, or deleted during the global revision process. When triaging local revision, first make revisions related to unity and division. Begin by answering these kinds of questions and making the necessary changes. Is each sentence addressing one topic at a time? Are there any run-on sentences that need to be divided? Are there any fragments that need to be supplemented or united with another sentence? Are the clauses arranged in a logical, unifying order? Second, make changes related to verbs and subjects. Begin by answering these kinds of questions. Do the subjects and verbs agree in tense and number? Are the verbs primarily active or passive? How can the passive verbs be replaced with more lively descriptive verbs? Are the subjects of each sentence the doers of the action? Are the subjects clearly identified? Third, make changes related to objects and antecedents by answering these kinds of questions. Are there any nominalizations that can be replaced by more concise active verbs? Are the antecedents of each pronoun clear? Does any sentence begin with a dangling demonstrative pronoun? Fourth, make changes related to spelling and capitalization. Answer these kinds of questions. Are there any misspelled words? Has the spelling of each homophone been rechecked? Is the first word of each sentence capitalized? Are quotations properly capitalized? Are proper names and places and other special words properly capitalized? Fifth, make changes related to punctuation by answering questions like these. Does each sentence end with a terminal punctuation mark? Are there any comma splices? Are interjections, nouns of address, and other qualifying opening elements set off by commas? Are irregular punctuation marks like dashes, colons, and ellipses used properly? Are all quotations cited and punctuated? Sixth, make changes related to clarity and grace by answering these questions. Are there any meaningless words that can be deleted? Are there any redundant words or implied words that can be deleted? Can a negative construction be reworded to produce a shorter positive one?